Hey guys, welcome back to Mobitron. Today we are going to learn how to create Insta filter using Photoshop and Spark AR Studio. So let's get started. To create Insta filter, first of all you need the Spark AR Studio software, which you have to download from the Google. I have also given the link in description to download the Spark AR software. After downloading the software, you have to open the software first. Here you can see many options are given here. These are the ready-made features, templates, but I am going to create a new filter, so we have to select a new project. Here you have to select a blank project. So guys, our blank project is ready now. You can see here many properties, features are given. Here you can add your assets also from your computer. From here you can change the version of your phones. You can also use the Android devices. You can also resize this. From this option you can change the faces of. You can also use your own face to create filter by using this easy camera. So now we have to add an object. In this we have to select a face mask. We are going to add a face filter, so you are going to use a face mask. By adding a face mask we have to add a material. You have to rename your material. I am suppose giving demo filter. So now for creating a face filter we need face assets, which we will get from the Spark AI Studio. You can download this from here and here also. I have also given link in description to direct download it. By downloading face assets you will get these two folders. First one is mask and second one is texture. We are going to use texture folder. In this we have two masks. First one is face feminine, second one is face masculine. We are going to use face masculine to create our filter. So now we have to add this face masculine to Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, then you can also use the Photo PS online. This is just like a Photoshop. This is the copy of the Photoshop. So here you have to add the face masculine. Now by adding the face masculine you have to add a new layer. So now by adding a new layer we are going to add objects to make our filter. So just to add your objects here and you can put anywhere. You can also add a text here by using this. So now by adding objects we have to hide this background layer. Now we have to export this layer. You have to use this PNG or JPG file only to export this. just save this file. Now we have to add this file to assets of Spark AR Studio. Just drag and drop this file to assets. By adding this face mask here, you have to go to materials, demo filter. You can also add this by here clicking face masculine. You can see here our face mask is ready. You can also change the opacity of this. So now you have to go to file and upload and export. So here you can directly upload this filter to your Instagram also, but I am suggesting to export your file first. So I have saved this file to desktop. So here you can see the filter file which I have saved. So now how to publish our filter to Instagram? For that we have to go to this Spark AR Studio website. Here you can see the manage effects option. So click on this. You have to first log in your Facebook account to this. So now after logging to Facebook, you have to once again click to the manage effects. So our Spark AR hub is open now. You can see here. So now you can see publish effect option here. So click on it. So now you have to add some name of your effect. I am just giving my name for just demo. You can add your own name also. By adding, you have to upload this file which we have saved, this filter file. I am going to upload this. Here you can see the platform option wherever you want to publish this. You can also publish on both Facebook and Insta. You can also select specific platform. I am using the Instagram only. Now you can see who is the owner, which is our Facebook account is linked here. Then we are going to publisher. This will show your Instagram account which is linked to Facebook account. Make sure to link your Insta account to your Facebook first. Then here you can see the category option. You have to select 4 categories. So you can select any of the categories. So now you have to add your keywords here. This is optional, but I suggest you to make sure to add keywords for ranking your filter. So now we have to add a demo video on this. Before doing this, first of all save this. After saving this, you can see here test on my device option. So you have to first test this filter on your device. So by clicking on this test on device, you can directly send notification to your Insta account. So now you have to test this filter on your device first. If you don't get notification on your Insta account, you can also use this link to test your filter first. So now you have to upload the demo video here of your own. So now we have to create our icon. Please make sure create your icon in 480 to 482 pixel size only. To create icon, you have to go to the Photopea once again. Then we have to create a new file. Take any name. Here make sure to take 480 width and 480 height size. Okay, create here. Now You can add your own icon here. Here our icon is ready. Now we have to just upload this icon to Spark AI Hub. Replace. So I am just giving an example of icon. You can create your own icon properly. So here our icon is uploaded. Here is a publication date. There is two options here, as soon as possible and a set time and date. You can publish your filter immediately, or you can also set a time and date by using this. I am just using this as soon as possible option. So now here instruction for viewer. So now in this you have to add instruction of your filter. Like you have to add a description about how your filter works, what it needs. So here our filter is simple, basic. So here we are going to type like that. You just need a face camera to use this filter, that all. So by adding instruction you have to just submit it, and it will take some time, approx 5 hours. After 5 hours your effect will be approved. If you want to see details of your effects, you can go back and see here the details of your effect. So by doing all this process, if you will get any problem, then do comments in the comment box. You can also message in our Insta account also. I am also giving you links of all the software which I have used in this video. So if you like our video, then do comment, subscribe our channel.